And mild today. So initially that breeze is going to feel pretty chilly throughout the first half of the day, but not so bad later today with some sunshine and temperatures in the 60s. Then as we head into tomorrow, we're close to 70 degrees to kick off the week. It is going to feel spring-like. We'll have some bright skies as well. And then Tuesday, a cold front arrives and we'll have a big temperature spread depending on how quickly that front arrives, where it's coming in from the north. So areas along the lakefront get stuck in the 40s. Areas south might be closer to 80 degrees, that big of a temperature spread. And where we have the warmer weather, well, we could also have some severe storms and some flooding possible here on Tuesday, especially throughout the afternoon. And then on Wednesday, our temperatures continue to fall, and it's possible that we have rain that ends as snow. So as I was looking at this typical March pattern where we have the chance for severe weather and then we switch over to the chance of snow. We're having two air masses fighting each other, the cold air and the warm air from the south. Right now we have a wind gust at about 20 miles per hour. Our wind will start to pick up later this morning, especially around lunchtime. We'll have a gust to about 35. It stays that way through a lot of the afternoon. Temperatures right now in the 30s. We're at 34 degrees at the lakefront, 34 in Naperville. Joliet is at 36 degrees, Crown Point at 34. A look here at the next 12 hours to show you it's a very nice day. Get out and enjoy it. Yes, that breeze will be kicking at times, but it's going to be pretty nice. By 2 p.m., we're at about 57 degrees, low 60s for our high temperatures. Then on Monday, 40s to start off the day, sunshine around, a little bit breezy at times, close to 60 degrees by about lunchtime, and then close to 70 degrees by 4 o'clock. So a very nice warm start to the week. Then on Tuesday, this is a day that I told you is a little bit tricky. Here is 7 in the morning. It looks like that front is already trying to push into the area. So notice that Waukegan is in the 40s, areas south in the mid 50s. Then continuing into lunchtime, to show you that at this point, Waukegan, the Loop are in the 40s, but then we have areas near Midway and O'Hare close to 60 degrees, low 60s south. And then notice here really warming up south where the front hasn't arrived yet. And this is where we have the chance to have some stronger storms and some localized flooding as well. The Storm Prediction Center already putting part of our area under a level 3 out of 5. So something we will be watching closely here on Tuesday, a day to pay attention to the weather because we could have some stronger storms and some flooding as well. Then on Wednesday, the rain continues, and then notice here that we could potentially end this as some wet snow as the system is pushing out and that colder air is pushing in. So again, those two air masses fighting each other in March. We have a very spring-like forecast here with the chance for severe weather on Tuesday, switching over to the chance of snow on Wednesday. And then by Friday, we're up to about 55 degrees.